So I'm in my bed and I'm too lazy to remove my makeup. This one is already removed and this one is still there. Okay. Hi guys, so it's 10 p.m. today and I am going to bed early because I know that going early makes you really productive, and since I'm very sleepy today, I want to utilize this opportunity and fix my schedule for the next week. Yes, and since I have a lot to cover up, a lot of syllabus, and I'm gonna be following Prachand series as well. So yes, I will be in a bit of a hassle for the next few months, but I know कि अगर मैं अपना schedule fix रखूँगी, I'll be able to do things very smoothly. So yes, I'm gonna be sleeping right now, but there's a catch. Since I am a person who likes to read books, but I never get the time, so I have now committed myself into something, and that is that every day when I will go to bed early, I will give myself 20 to 30 minutes to read any book that I want. And this is the book for now. And I've heard a lot about it. So yeah, I'll read it, and the day I complete it, I'll tell you guys about it. I'll give you the review, and yes. Hi guys, good morning. So it's 5:30 right now and I just woke up. So that's amazing. At least I could wake up on time. Yeah, because I my alarm was set for 4:30 and I was almost awake, but then I felt like a very sharp pain in my neck. That was because I was using a different pillow, and I'm only able to sleep on soft pillows. If a pillow is very rough, then I cannot use it. If it's very tough, then I cannot use it. If it's very big, then I cannot use it. It should be very slimy, okay? So yeah, and I just woke up and now I'm gonna be studying inorganic chemistry. Yes. So my today's goal is to complete so my today's goal is to complete this entire chapter and also revise chapter 1 a bit, and also read thermodynamics again. Yeah, like read it, not watch one shot or anything. Just read it. Read my notes. Yes. Since the morning was really pretty, I decided to go on a morning walk, and I think that was literally the best decision. So I'm walking. मैंने ज़्यादा clips नहीं लिए अपने क्योंकि I was actually in the moment. And now it's 7 a.m. अब मैं वापस जा रही हूँ. Yes. I look like a potato or something, bro. Like ये क्या है? Like मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है सारी दुनिया की ठंडी मुझे ही लग रही है. But it's not that. I've just done this thing. Why did I do that? Shit, man. Like एकदम yeah, better. I tried to get a flower, but हुआ नहीं वो मेरे से possible, bro. Hi, so it's 8 o'clock and I am on my bed right now. I am reading Plant Kingdom. Just notes को थोड़ा revise कर रही हूँ. I keep forgetting the names sometimes. So yes, and after this I'll go back to my chemical bonding. so it's 1:33 p.m. बहुत टाइम से मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. I have not taken a very proper break in between. खाने के टाइम भी I was studying, and now I need to go take a shower today. I'll wash my hair after like more than 2 weeks. My hair sucks, like literally it sucks. And I'm not so proud of that. So yeah, that is something. And after I'm done with chemistry, I need to practice the question of this chapter only. And now I feel more confident इस chapter के लिए. And it's not like the temporary वाला confidence, it's very permanent because I have been reading this chapter on a very slow pace. I'm trying to understand everything. सब कुछ याद रखने की कोशिश. Yes. इसके बाद का मेरा क्या plans है? I'm not really sure. I have to film a video, post it today. यही मेरा शेड्यूल है, लाइक यू नो, ऑन डेली बेसिस. दिस इज व्हाट आई डू. बट आज आई एम थिंकिंग कि मुझे थोड़ा रूम भी सफाई करनी चाहिए एंड डू समथिंग यू नो न्यू, लाइक मेक अ विजन बोर्ड फॉर 2025. Yes, but you know, I don't know. Let's see what happens. Hi. Oh my god, my bindi is still intact. So I've taken a shower and I've cleaned all the dirt and dust off my hair. I feel lighter. I promised to myself next time I will not wait so long to wash my hair. पता नहीं कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता था. मैं रोज रोज बिजी हो रही थी, फिर लेट हो जाता था. आई यूज्ड टू थिंक कि अब कल ही बाल धोएंगे. बट आज सिचुएशन अलग है. टुडे आई हैव फाइनली डन द नेसेसरी stuff. And अभी मैं करूँगी वीडियो एडिट. Right now I was watching physics का lecture. What was I watching? So physics के lecture में I was completing thermal properties of matter. And वो chapter I think काफ़ी easy है because mostly theoretical लगा मुझे अभी तक. मैंने जितना देर पढ़ा है 20 to 30 minutes. Hi, so I'm again in this blue sweater, and you'll see me doing this in many of my videos because भाई अब sweater मैं हर दिन अलग अलग थोड़ी लेके आ सकती हूँ. Okay, so you know what, my mom got this very pretty floral blanket and it's so soft. Okay, anyways, I am done editing. But guys, thumbnail edit करते टाइम जो आर्ट ब्लॉक हुआ है, क्रिएटिविटी ब्लॉक हुआ है, उसका कोई लाइक कंपैरिजन नहीं है. I was hating all my thumbnails, but then I finally liked one and the video is posted. You can check it out. Yes, this is the box that has all my 10th ka stuffs in it, like you can see. And this is my most used book. Oh my god. And yeah, I have used it the most. And ये सबसे helpful है to be honest किसी भी बुक से कंपेयर करने पे, बिकॉज इसमें लास्ट ईयर के पेपर्स हैं, ठीक है. एंड PYQ से ज़्यादा कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट है ही नहीं. एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट 10th एंड स्टफ, यू कैन चेक आउट माई 10th वाला वीडियो. आई रियली थॉट कि इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी टू कमिट दैट आई हैड एन एक्स. एंड just kidding guys, I really don't miss it, but it was not bad at all because Ritik sir के कारण. And as we know, two things always come unplanned. First, news and second, you know. Anyways, so पता नहीं क्या हुआ, मैं बाहर गई, अंदर आई और उसके बाद मेरा बैक इतना पेन हुआ, अनबियरेबल, मैं हिल नहीं पा रही थी. We will not give up. But then my mom did some massage and I kept myself together. मैं 1 hour का nap भी ली and then I started studying again. Even though pain was still there, कोई ज़्यादा recovery हुई नहीं, but still after sleeping I felt a bit better. फिर पढ़ाई करते करते बज गए 10 एंड आई स्टडीड फॉर 11 hours इन टोटल. आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर प्रचंड बैच. मैं ज्वाइन करने के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड थी. आई वॉज प्रिपेयरिंग माई सेल्फ एंड पूरे दिन के गोल में बस एक चीज़ छूट गई, वो थी थर्मोडाइनमिक्स की चैप्टर 1. Why am I referring to thermodynamics as a feminine? Oh my god. अभी इस क्लिप में आई एम कंप्लीटिंग माई बॉटनीज प्लांट किंगडम के 1 पेज नोट्स. लिटरली आई एम कवरिंग द इंटायर चैप्टर इन जस्ट 1 पेज बिकॉज मुझे पता है कि मेरे लिए ये रिविजन में मुझे कितना काम आने वाला है. बट आई विल ऑब्वियसली नॉट गेट कीप. आई विल शेयर दिस विथ you guys very soon. As soon as we hit 9.5k, I'm gonna be sharing all my 1 page notes with you. So yes, let me know if you guys want to know how I actually utilize the PW modules, like things you can do with the help of these modules but you are not really aware of. So yeah, I'll tell you that. And in the meanwhile, let me complete all of my work really quickly क्योंकि मुझे जल्दी से ये करना है. And yeah, after completing this, I talked to my friend for a bit and ate my dinner and straight up went to bed. I did not read book today because मुझे पता था कि already काफ़ी late हो चुका है and मुझे फिर कल उठना पड़ेगा. So yes, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.